Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we will start in a new chapter, chapter 12, lesson 1. Describe plane shapes. Describe plane shapes. Pay attention with me. First, look to this shape. Look to this shape. What is this shape? Who can say what is this shape? Square. Yes, good. This shape is a square. Good. This square or this shape formed from what? Formed from what? Look to the square and tell me. It formed from what? This square formed from lines. Good. And what else? Points. Points. Okay. What about lines, teacher, and points? Look to this line. This is a line. This is a line. This is a line. This line is straight or curved line? Straight. Good. This line is a straight line. And what else, teacher? It continues in two directions. It continues in two directions, right and left. Okay. And no end points. No end points. No end points. And what about this line also? What about this line also? This line is straight. Yes, it is a straight line. It has also two end points. Two end points. It has two end points. This is point and this point. So we name this line what? Line segment. Line segment. We name this line what? Line segment. Okay, line segment. So we can say that line segment is a straight line. It has two end points. Two end points. Two end points. What is the point? Teacher, you say point, point. What is the point? This is a point. This is a point. Point A. When I say, where is point A? You say, this is the point. This is the point. It an exact position or location. Exact location or position. Represents the place. Represent the place. This is the point. This is the point. And what about this line also, teacher? This line is a straight line. Okay, number one, is it a straight line? It has how many end points? One end points. One end point. One end point. So we name it what? Ray. We name it what? Ray. And also it continues in one direction. One direction. We name it what? Ray. Now we have line. This is the line. Straight. It is straight. No end points. Continues in two directions. In two directions. Right and left. And this line, we name it what? Line segment. Line segment. It is a straight line. It has two end points. Two end points. And what is the point? Point is an exact position or place. Represent the place of any point. This is point A. This is the place, the position, the location of the point. Of the point. Point located where? On the line. Located where? On the line. Okay. What is this, teacher? This is array. This is array. This is a ray. Ray has one end point. One end point. This is the end point of the ray. It continues in one direction. One directions. Okay? Understand? So back again to this square. This square, we say it formed from lines and points. Lines and points. So we can say the plane shape, any shape on a flat surface. In a flat surface. Formed in a flat surface. Okay? Look to this square. Look to this square. This is what? Length, and this is what? Width. Length and width. This square has length and width, so we name it what? Two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shape. Any shape has length and width, we name it what? Two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. Okay, and we can say that any plane shape, any plane shape can be closed, or open. A closed shape starts and ended in the same point. If we started this shape from this point, we will move, then we will end in the same point. A closed shape starts and ends in the same point. Look here, if I start from this point, I will move and end from this point. I start from this point and end in the same point. What about open shape? I start from here, yes, and end in the same point? No. So the open shape start from a point and ends in another point. I start from this point and I will end in another point, not the same point.